you in need of a big beam and don't know where to start? Are you tired of flipping through those bulky PCI and ACI manuals? Well, then you're in luck.
For the low cost of only $321.74, we will design your big beam. 28-day financing included. Order in the next 30 minutes and we'll fly you out to the Northeast Prestressed Products production plant in Cressona, Pennsylvania, where you can get your hands dirty and take part in casting your beam.
With our proprietary math get sheet, designing a big beam is easier than ever. We start the process of your design using a strength design approach and strain compatibility to determine the flexural strength. Then, with the ACI incremental time step method, losses are determined for stress checks, and then ACI simplified methods are applied to determine the shear capacity. This all keeps the cost of your beam low and the return time fast. Our patent-pending doubly symmetrical I section provides an effective use of concrete while maintaining depth for flexural resistance. It also includes only 2 half-inch special steel strands.
To fabricate your beams, custom hand-built wood forms will first be used. Then stirrups will be hand-tied to the pre-stressing steel. After the forms are closed up and plumbed, a concrete mix of your required specifications will be dropped in and properly vibrated and finished to a flawless surface.
Using our premier facilities at Lehigh University's Fritz Engineering Laboratory, we will test the materials of your big beam to guarantee the modulus of rupture and compressive strength of your concrete meets your design expectations. Are you tired of your deflections being calculated without error? For double the cost, we can test a replica of your big beam using Fritz Lab's 5 million pound Baldwin Universal testing machine for its actual cracking load, failure load, and ultimate deflection. Just look at how accurate our predicted and actual values are when testing. We guarantee that the design parameters of your big beam will be within about 100% error.
Through this, we will learn about the design process for pre-stressed beams, specifically about the detailing and drawings required for communication with the producers. Also, we'll learn about the real challenges and steps of fabrication, which will give us valuable experience for our future careers. On your beam, we will be able to experiment with forming connections between what we learned in class and the real world.
Security deposit equivalent to Lehigh University's yearly tuition required, subject to 20% yearly price increase. Cost of shipping and handling is not included. Lehigh Big Beam partners do not claim any responsibility for bodily damage or harm caused by the use of the beam.
Call 1-800-BIG-BEAM today. That's 1-800-BIG-BEAM today to place your order for your own custom-built big beam. But if you call right now, we'll double our offer and give you 2 big beams for 7 times the shipping and handling. That's right, 7 times the shipping and handling. It's a bargain you can't forget. So call 1-800-BIG-BEAM today. We would like to thank our professor, Dr. Clay Netto, for his assistance in helping us with participation in this year's PCI Big Beam competition. We would also like to give special thanks to Gary Lehman, Troy Jenkins, and Gene Matlock, as well as Matt Lero and Aaron Moyer for helping prep our big beam for testing. Go Lehigh!